Ali, can I tell you?
Yes, go
But
ahead.
I just want to tell you one more thing. That whoever makes a trip and doesn't take Ali for photography and videography on the way is
Together with Penny, together with
together
Penny.
with Penny is B'schayev Benafshoy.
Okay,
That's
das hat
how
ja
it-
gesagt.
It's
Ich
the
so.
best choice I ever done.
Oh, thank you so
Valde.
much. And I want to say, I just had a talk with Moti Belsky at Tzadik, and Moti says that you don't get any trips like this. This is pampered to the next level. You get
Thank you,
treated like a queen and a
Yeah,
king.
but we have Ali's and everything gives the life.
L'chaim,
You're not just a
l'chaim.
photographer. You're not just a photographer. Don't stop.
I'm not cutting it. I'm not cutting it.
You're not just a photographer. You're giving a vibe for the oilers. You're
I
giving like
appreciate it.
schmack.
I appreciate it.
You're giving, besides the thousands of pictures that you took from us, thousands. I had many photographers in the serious.
We
like
are over almost 4,000 now.
4,000 right now.
Almost,
The
yeah.
main thing is that you get to hang out with this guy, the king.
Oh,
He's the
oh,
CEO.
now
That's
we're
the main thing.
talking. Now
And
we're
him.
talking.
Sure. Anyways, I'm very happy I took this choice.
Thank you
Ali,
so much.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you so
really.
much.
I expected this. You gave me this.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. Penny, die Heerst, L'chaim.